And we are recording live on day one. If you checked out the description, this is going to be a keeping myself accountable. I'm going to record the entire process of me becoming a funnel hacker or the process of me failing becoming a funnel hacker. If you want to know who I am, check out the other videos. I'm not wasting time on this one. I spoke with Dwayne. You probably saw in the first video. This is video number 2. Eliza, my wife, is sending stuff. Let's stick to the program at hand. Check out that first if you want to see what's going on. His recommendation was to do the one one funnel away challenge, and as well as signing up. Let's see what we've got. I haven't checked anything. I'm just doing this live. I'm recording the whole thing, and I'll do an edit at a later time. So um, I'll let the editing guys worry about that. Which was one funnel away? This is Clickfunnels, right? So one funnel away. He told me to do this, the next one in 12 days. I done fucked up. Okie dokie. Join the challenge. Everything you need to get 30 days video missions. Basically, I was told that this just talks you through the whole process from start to finish, and it was recommended. Although that recorder would be nice. Okay, digital version, next step. Full name. And we're recording again. Okay, I filled out all my information, ended up taking a phone call. Step 3, after we filled out our contact information. Yes, Russell, upgrading my order now. One time off. I mean, I did say in my mission I was going to consume everything ClickFunnels, so okay. Let's see what this is all about. Wonder, last year Funnel Hacking Live, I gave a special workshop called Funnel Audibles. It shows you a simple process to any funnel that is broken, turning it from zero to hero. Click yes to get this training, plus the transcripts, workbook. This just all seems too much. Okay, I'll try it. I'll give it a shot, but it's like, dude, ease up on shit. Yes, start the funnel away challenge. Submitting. One funnel away traffic secrets. Okay, I'm going to pause the video here and hear what he actually has to say, and I'll give you the feedback after. Okay, so I just looked at that video. Another upsell, traffic secrets. Whoa, okay. So I've done signed up for the 30-day challenge. What else have I done? Yeah, if I've signed up for the 30-day challenge and I already took your upsell of more Audible, now you want to sell me traffic secrets. I mean, dude, I'm game. I'm okay to buy all of these things, but fuck's sake, one at a time, no? I don't know if I'm wrong or not. Anyway, I'm not going to buy this second because truthfully I haven't begun yet and I'm feeling overwhelmed. What I have done is I copied the URL, I double checked it in incognito, so as I finish up with the 30-day challenge or finish up with more things, I am going to buy this. I told you what my plan is, to buy absolutely everything that is Russell Brunson, that is ClickFunnels, and just do whatever the hell the guy says and go from there. So this is not cheating that I'm not going to buy it. It's just, it's sort of like overwhelming, man. What do I do first? So, okie dokie. I read all of this. I checked all the stuff down. No thanks. I don't want it at this huge discount. Uh, just this moment. I really don't want to miss out on this special offer. It's just 3 payments of 97. I have to say it's impressive. You know, the hard selling stuff, one salesman to another, but like, you know what? Screw it. I'm going to do all this stuff on my landing pages. I am going to buy this. I am going to buy this within the 30 days. No thanks. I don't want it at this huge discount. Welcome to the One Funnel a Day Challenge. I'm so glad you've accepted this mission. We'll start soon, but there's lots to do in the meantime as well. Just to show you, what's this? Yeah, I got my 2 things in. I got my receipt. I'm guessing this is Stripe with that funnel thing. Hopefully I can get an invoice out of them. I'll do that later. And I got my email, one funnel away challenge. Let's look at this. Do I need this anymore? No, we have this. This is the one funnel, and we have this. This was the ClickFunnels. Yeah, I used the affiliate ID. So there you go, Dwayne. You're affiliated. Okie dokie. Inside your exclusive members area, you'll find all your training bonuses, lifetime unlimited access to 30 days interview series, behind the scenes 2 comma club funnels. I will be a 2 comma club guy. 30 days book Digital version, better be audio. Membership, access to your links in order. Summary, access purchase. I got funnel. Step 2, in your members area account, the secret private group under the OFA mission control section. This group is where the one funnel a day challenge will be held. Remember, thanks. So do I do anything here? Access members area. I am going to just minimize this for a moment, not to get confused. What have I done? One funnel away. Did I not access it? Access members area. What the hell? This is the member. I'm confused. Okie dokie. Let's go back to this. I haven't even begun and I'm already confused. For anyone who wants to know salespeople, we like a pen and paper and a telephone. That's pretty much it. You've just accepted one of the most epic one funnel away challenges. Many entrepreneurs who have accepted this talk about the challenge turning point in their business. God damn well better be, Russell. A few things you need to know doing right now when you wait for your challenge to begin. Create your members area account. You'll need to create so that you can access your members area. You can do that here. Okay, let's do it here. Please be sure to use the same email address when you purchased your challenge to ensure your bonus materials are there. The actual challenge will be held in a separate private group. We'll be posting that super secret link inside your members area. You'll need to be logged into your members area. When the time comes, dive into your bonus training materials. So we know our 3 bonus materials. Yeah, this is the thing with traffic secrets. Why would you try and sell me traffic secrets? One thing at a time. Am I missing something? I want people to put stuff in the comments on this video. I'm either right to say one thing at a time or I'm wrong. Keith, just buy everything and do it. Help me out here. I like one thing at a time. Otherwise, I get confused. We'll be sending information, so keep your eyes. I'm so excited to get this challenge kicked off. Well, so am I. So am I. Okay. Create your account, email. And we're rock and rolling again, all in. Please be sure, yes, yes, yes. If you haven't signed up, no, I have. Create your account. Create my account. Create my account. Welcome to the One Funnel Away challenge. Okay, your challenge is about to begin. I'm going to go through these videos because I assume I'm not allowed to stream them. But I'll go through them and I'll give a report when I've gone through them. I'm going through them all today, tonight. Yes, this is video 1 complete. I'm going to go through the whatever's in this OFA stuff, and then my next video I'll give a report on what it is I did, what it is I learned.